All right, I'm going to show you a couple things in Procreate. The first one is how to change your color dropping threshold. So I'm going to create a shape, hold down to create a perfect shape, and then I'm going to try to fill in that shape. Okay? How many times has this happened to you where you've gone to fill in a shape, but then it just fills in the whole screen? So I'm going to double tap, get out of that. One way to fix that is when you draw your shape and you know it's closed, is drag your color in from the top, but then don't release, and you're going to see a blue color threshold up there where it says color drop threshold. You want to make that less %. If you do that, then you're not going to have the issue where it fills in the entire space anymore. Okay, so that's just a simple solution that I've been working through because it kept filling in the entire space. So that is how you would go about solving that problem. All right, by this time you should have looked at the YouTube video I posted about Christoph Niemann. So you have an idea of what his work looks like and where I'm going with this. So I'm going to show you how to separate an image with the image and the background separate. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is just make sure I'm in layer 1, which I am. And then I'm going to go ahead and import an image. All right, there's the image that I want to use. But as you can see, I just want the image of the beat itself. I don't want that green background along with it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and click off of there, click off the arrow, and click onto that little S looking thing to the left of the arrow. That's like my lasso tool. And I'm going to go ahead and just trace whatever it is that I want to pull from my background. Okay, take your time with this. Go slow. The more accurate you draw with this freeform tool, the better off you'll be in the long run. Right, and you want to make sure you come all the way around until you connect. Okay, so I've connected. Perfect. Next thing I want to do is go ahead up here to the wrench, and I want to hit copy. Okay, that's going to copy everything that was in that little dotted line, so just the beat itself. And then I'm going to come up here and I'm going to create a new layer. Okay, that's where I want to paste what I just cut out. So I'm going to go ahead and paste that, and you're not going to see a change. You actually have to pull, and then you're going to see that change. Okay, so I want to get rid of the image underneath, so I need to delete layer 1. So I'm going to go ahead and delete that, and here I am. I'm left with that image that was cut out. Okay, now I'm going to blow up a little bit. You can see where I didn't do a perfect job with my tool. And I'm going to go ahead now and I'm going to use my eraser. And I'm going to come in here and I'm just going to very carefully erase that right there. All right, so I'm going to get rid of all those little green areas. With my eraser, okay? Oop, see if we go into there, I erased a little bit of the beat, but that's okay. This is where having a steady hand is really helpful. And there a little bit. Up here I have some little green spots. And right here's one. Gonna clean up that little edge right there. And right here's a little bit of green. And right there. All right. So that's looking pretty good. So I'm gonna make it a little bit smaller here. Go. Okay, that's about the size that I want. Okay, so I've successfully removed my background from my image, which is what you're going to want to do for this project. Okay, and then I want to make my beat look like a human heart. That was my idea, because I kind of feel like it has that basic look to it already. Okay, so now I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to draw, and I'll show you my final assignment. That's it. That's the whole lesson, is just showing you how to remove a background from an image. That will really help you if you're using images in Procreate.